Madam KOO, Kemi Omololu Olunlayo, Ibadan, Nigeria, December 29th, 2018. Our beloved president, Shehu Shagari, will be laid to rest in a couple of hours in Sokoto, Nigeria. And this one was very interesting. The Ghanaians were everywhere in Nigeria. They lived with us, they worked, too many Ghanaians in Nigeria. But then Jerry Rawlings came and eliminated all the bad leaders, corruption. Not that we supported all that elimination, but he said he cleansed Ghana, and Ghana was really a great country. So President Shagari did the Trump thing. You know the Trump thing, make Nigeria great again, Nigeria first. So President Shagari deported them. All the Ghanaians had to go home. They were weaving bags. Their bags, they were running to the bus station because they were scared that the MPF will come for them. Oh my God, so everyone's shouting, Ghana must go, 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 go. That's why that bag is called Ghana must go. President Shagari reformed immigration, closed the borders, and we were safe. Today we have too many porous borders.